the double-decker sightseeing bus. Look how cute that is. Right then guys, we are back in Coco City and today we have another video for you. It's a build and review. Yes, we are building today. We are looking at this sightseeing tour bus. You guys saw me pick this up in Manchester last week and today I am excited to get it open. So let's get straight into the video. Right then guys, let's get this unboxed. So as you can see, we have bags 1, 2, 3. We have the book. We have some stickers. Let's get straight into it. We have the tour conductor, the mother, and the baby. I love that. It's actually looking really cute. Quick coffee break, I reckon. Bag number 2. So this sticker, which is actually an Easter egg or a roller coaster ride that they have actually released, which is super cool, and I cannot wait to get it because I do plan on having a theme park in Coco City. So right then guys, that is it. We are done with the city tour bus, but complete. Guys, I'm actually in love. There is the bus. As you can see, the minifigs are in. The mother and the baby just in there. Let's open that up. Got the tour guide up there. A guy on his phone. A woman taking pictures. And you know what? The details are actually incredible. There's so much detail in here. It looks super cute. Look at that, guys. Museum, the harbour, downtown, the park. Guys, that is so cute. To be honest, it was a fairly simple, easy build. There was nothing too tricky in it. The instructions were easy to follow. The seats, I do love all the colours. The reds, the yellows, the turquoise. Oh, she's fallen over. She's taken a picture and she's got too excited and now she's down. Let her just sit there. Guys, there we have it. The city tour bus. The one thing I will say is there was a lot of stickers in this set. If you're not a fan of stickers like I'm not, that might be a little bit of a put off. The stickers weren't too bad to put on. I just never liked stickers. That's it. The girl has fallen from the bus. She's officially fallen from the bus to the floor, disaster. Disaster averted, woman retrieved. I'm super excited to place that in Coco City. An update of Coco City is coming so soon, guys. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess behind me at the minute. There's things needing to be built. Right then, guys, as always, if you do enjoy my content and all things Lego, as always, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate every single supporter, every single person that likes, comments, and gives me that support for this channel. It is so much appreciated, guys. There is so much content coming up for you guys. As you can see, Coco City is under construction. There are things left and right that need to be built. We have some things over here for the channel. We have the Stitch, we have the taxi, the construction site, we have roads ready to be built for the city. We have the Parisian restaurant, we have the detective's office. So much content for you guys coming up. It is a mess at the minute, but like I said, it is in construction. It's in a progress, a work in progress, guys. So do not forget to like and subscribe and keep up to date with all of my latest content. Right then, guys, I am off. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.